bedroom all clean. And we gotta vacuum the office. I'm still gonna get my round rug for in here and my lamp for the reading chair. So that'll be nice. And then today I'm going to make some muffins of sort, either blueberry or strawberry. So stay tuned. So today is clean out the fridge day, and so we got this mess going on. It's not too bad, but I'll just get rid of a few things and wipe it out and start fresh for the week. I picked up this Myers Clean Day. Loving this scent. It's the peony scent. Makes me want spring to come even more. Whoops. I try to keep my drinks, anything liquid up here. This is gonna be my breakfast area. So I got my eggs. I keep my jellies in a little, and cream cheeses in a little tray, just easier to grab. I usually keep my bacon right here too, but I'm trying to be better about eating sausage and bacon because it's just not good for ya. So maybe once a week on the weekends will be good enough. This is my little sandwich bin where I keep my mayonnaise, horseradish, mustard, those kinds of things. So, because I'm keeping my pickles over here. Oh, this got put in the wrong spot. Let me guess who that was. Yeah. Yeah, I keep all my dressings up here. Those could use a little straightening as well. Yeah, that's got to stay out here because it's too big. So this is actually a sauce, so it can go down here with this stuff. So there we go. We'll just kind of do it like that. Alrighty, so yeah, the mustard goes in there. That got misplaced too. keep like a meat bin where we do sandwiches. And produce got thrown in there as well, so I'm gonna clean that out. We have a pickup order coming in, so I wanted to make sure the fridge was nice and clean. Wiped out the produce drawer, which I keep at the very bottom. Oh, something got spilled up there. Wow. Yeah, it looks like something got spilled back in there, so yeah, I'm gonna have to scrub that a little bit extra.
Hi, welcome for lunch.
I was telling them
It's about empty out there.
I was cleaning the fridge.
Can you do a bag of birdseed or? Well, I gotta go in and get the ribs. So.
Okay.
What else am I getting? I'm getting something else too, aren't I?
Yeah, hang on a sec. So this is what the fridge turned out. Nice and clean and organized. Woot woot. All fresh and clean. And there's my boy.